T&T Quickies. Hi guys, this is T&T Quick Spices. No, Spicy Quickies, dude. Special shrimp on the skewer with garlic and of course a lot of chili. Well, what's a lot of chili? Yeah, there's never a lot of chili. See you in a bit. So, 1 whole pound of shrimp, biggest you can get is better for the skewer, it doesn't dry out. Garlic, a ton of garlic to your liking. I took like 6 cloves there, large ones. Butter, no salt, and bird's eye chili. In this occasion, you can use other chilies as well to spice it up. That's it, we're gonna throw it all in the pan with some oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Over here. All right, very quickly, I'm gonna throw the butter. That's around a lot of butter, I guess at least 2 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna throw all this garlic in there. Delicious. And if you guys don't try this, it's because you don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna let that simmer for a bit. And then we're also gonna throw the chilies, why not?
Throw them all.
Throw it in. This is gonna be really quick. So I'm gonna just golden brown these garlic and let it cool down.
Mix it well. Use your hand.
Use your hands.
Give a bit of flavor.
Yeah, no.
The chicken does. Yes.
Well, yeah. Kind of messed up there. Like, that's a little trick I learned. Like, the first one you put it like that, like completely crinkled. That's gonna stop the other guys, and then the other ones are just gonna lay on top. Maybe that's gonna be all blurry. Okay, here we go again.
I'm bringing napkin. 2 minutes to flip. Is that it? 1 minute.
Wait, it doesn't have the sauce on yet. Hold on, guys.
Oh, wow.
Jesus, relax.
Chimichurri is coming on top.
Chimichurri is coming on top. If you watched our other episode, watch how to create the chimichurri. And we hope you enjoyed the quickies. Please subscribe, like, comment the hell out of this. If you didn't like it, we're all good with that too. But tell me why. All right? And we'll see you in a bite.